It's showtime.
Oh, that's right.
Yep. I love this business.
Dan Kyle Sporn.
I love this business.
I was wondering if there's another copy of the presentation. I'm tired of losing.
There you go.
Next up,
Yeah, that's nice.
how you doing? Hi, Henry.
Robert,
Good,
how are you?
Go by Bob.
Not only did it say all green, and the outfit was green, and today it's all orange.
So let's give a please join me in giving a warm welcome to Dan Swanson.
Thank you. How is everyone? What an enthusiastic group tonight. Boy, you feel the energy. Come on, this is New England. You got to do better than that. Let me try it again, you yell great. How is everyone tonight? There we go. Hey, and let me be the first to say, whoa, I like this side of the room already. Let me be the first to say congratulations. I know that sounds kind of strange at first, but, you know, you came here to make a difference in your life. You know, the stock market is the place to be, so congratulations. And not just for coming down here, but for being the kind of person you are. Because you know what? Most people just live their lives just watching television and never make any real changes. You know, it's a real pleasure to be with you. We're really glad to be here. You know, you've got a beautiful city. We love coming back here. The people have always been wonderful. I've been here a number of times. As you know, we're going to be talking about the market. And as we kind of started off, I wanted to see what you brought to the table as investors first. We're going to take a quick investor test profile. This is really easy to do. I've got 4 shapes up here on the screen. What you'll do is pick which shape best describes your personality. Hey? Everybody got a shape? No. No. I'll tell you what. Okay, how many squares do we have? Doesn't mean you're square. Very good. Brave guys. Squares are methodical and well organized. Okay, how many triangles do we have here? Halfway through, I got 1 brave vote. I got 200 people in the room. Well, you guys hit the happy hour before you came here? Oh, you did? Oh, you did. You didn't bring me in tonight, did you? Okay, triangles are both indecisive. What about that third shape? Anybody like that third shape? All right. Everybody in the room. I can see what we're talking about tonight. Yeah! No wonder nobody voted. Wow, hey, that guy in the back's got both hands up. Look out for that guy. And before it's too late, joke's over. Sometimes we talk about finance, it can drag. You know, and it's always been my opinion, you know, why not keep it lively, entertaining? You know, why not have a good time? But I also take your personal finances very seriously. You know, it's my hope when you leave tonight that you will have practical strategies that will help you make money in the market. This is another question. I know you're smart because you came down here. How many of you are so smart when you came here tonight you knew I was going to sell you something? Of course I am. Do I look like I'm from social services? And every once in a while, I might get a couple of people might get a little nervous about sales. Folks, please relax. Simply listen to what I'm talking about and the impact it can have in your life. If you would like to get involved, we'd be very glad to have you. If not, no big deal. And I hope you picked up some tips tonight that will help you with your investments. I'm not a salesman. I don't have to be. I know how valuable valuable our system is. My personal situation doesn't hurt. I made my money years ago in the market. This isn't about me. This is about you. Why would I be bashful about talking about something I know can make you big money for the rest of your life? So it's win-win for everyone. So I want to take a moment and introduce my staff. Please take a look in the back of the room. See that good-looking young man right there to my left is Jesse, and that good-looking young man right over there is Kurt. You see that table they have set up right there with the chairs? That's where you're going to sign up for the class. Now, these are two of the greatest guys you could ever want to work with. I also have another staff member that's here with me. Okay? At any time over the next hour and a half, we're going to be going through a lot of different concepts, a lot of different strategies. When you feel comfortable, feel free, please, get up, stand up, go in the back, see them. They'll get you registered. Okay, they'll answer any questions you have, and they'll take care of you. Okay? I'm going to be covering a lot of different topics, a lot of different strategies. I'll be moving very quickly. Please do not wait until the end. Okay, this is very important for you. What's happened is people are waiting until the very end, and then everybody is rushing the back table, and they're trying to get registered at the same time. And I've got 3 staff members back there, and I've got hundreds of people in the room. So please do not wait until the end. At any time, feel free, get up, go back, see them, get registered. Yeah, okay, I've got 5 already. Yeah, go back, get registered. Okay, they'll answer your questions and get you enrolled. Once again, please do not wait until the end. Now, you're welcome to come back and sit in on the rest of the session. However, everything that I cover over the next hour and a half will be covered in depth over those 3 days of training, and that's over 32 full hours. So I'm going to be moving very quickly. So if you miss something or you're not actually getting something right now, don't worry about it because they will be covering it in depth over those 32 hours of training. Is your money important enough to you? You'll spend a good half hour a day on it? Overwhelming. I feel a heartbeat. Somebody passing out Valium? You want to throw one up? Who just wants to get just filthy rich? Everybody's hand should be up. What the hell did you come down here for? When did profit become a dirty word? Profit's a beautiful word. I don't know about you, I love making money. When are you going? You're going to work to break even? You work all month so your checking account starts with a minus sign? If I get a tattoo, it's going to be profit, not mother. There's nothing wrong with making money. Be glad you live in a country you're able to do it. We're so lucky, and there's so much opportunity for us. The problem is, the average guy goes out, he buys a stock, and it goes up, and he gets all happy and excited. Then it goes down, and he gets sad. He's up, he's all happy again. Then it goes down, and he's all sad. He's what I call a bipolar investor. Throwing the Prozac, right? See, I've never been surprised. I always know what the market will do. Tomorrow the market's going to go up. Or down. Or sideways. See? Aren't you glad you came? This is good stuff, isn't it? But since I know the market can go up, down, or sideways, I can use my techniques and my strategies where I could make money up, down, or sideways. So now I'm not depending on the market to go up to take care of me. I'm depending on who? Myself. See, wouldn't you rather depend on yourself? And that's what I'm talking about, because now with the technology, you don't have to depend on anyone. You can do this for yourself, make a lot of money for yourself and for your family.